Hello everyone, we are learning Salesforce for beginners. We have completed many topics of Salesforce like what is CRMs, object and fields, page layout, record types, relationships, formula fields and validation rule. Today we are continue with a new topic, what is profiles. Profiles are used to give the access. Now in this video, we will learn what profiles do, why we create profiles. A profile defines the minimum permission for a user. Every Salesforce user must have exactly one profile. Only one profile can be assigned to multiple users. One user cannot have multiple profiles. Profile control what user can do in the Salesforce org. This can be referred to as create, read, edit, and delete. Profile gives object access, tab access, app access, and field level security visible and editable. It gives system permissions also. Now we will understand how profile work and how we give access to our object and tabs in Salesforce through profiles. In this video, we will learn what is profile and why we use profile and how why we use profiles. First, profiles. One profile can be assigned to multiple users, but multiple user cannot have one profile. First, we will go on. First, we will go on users by going to setup, then home, then we will go on users. We will search users. Here, I have created one profile name Neha. Name support agent new, which is assigned to a user named Neha. Here we will test how profile works. First we will go on support agent new profile. We will click on here. Here are the some options which you can see: edit, clone, delete, view users. You can edit profile, you can clone profile, you can delete, and you can view users. Now I will show how user look. This is a user page. Here by going here you can edit your user and you can assign a role, user license and profiles. User license are limited. It is provided by the Salesforce and you can make make custom profiles also. Here I have created one user named Neha and I have assigned one email ID to it, and now I will show how a user new how any user can access our Salesforce orgs data. First I will go on support new agent. We will go on edit. Profile can give various accesses. Here are custom app settings and custom connected app access you can give, and you can give standard tab settings, tab access through tab settings. Then you can give custom tab settings, custom, this is for custom objects, and above all standard tab setting for standard objects which are in already in Salesforce. Administrative permissions you can give, assign if it is required. General use and permissions you also can give if it is required, and standard object permission and custom object permission you can give from here. It is available for all the users of which have this same profile. You can now we will test by giving some access to our objects, whether it is showing or it is visible or invisible to our user, whether our user can access all records, create record, read records, edit record or delete record, view all records, modify all records or view all fields. This type of permission we can give for custom object permission. And for standard object permission we can also give the same permissions like read, create, edit, delete, view all records, modify all records and view all records. For example, first we will give one permission, one access to our profile. uh, First we will hide our contact, read, uh, read, create, edit and edit access. First we will hide this, and we will also hide here tab. Here you can show tab or you can hide tab. First we will go on our contact object, contacts. It is default on. Now we will make it hide, so our user will not be able to see contacts and he cannot able to edit, create, read contact records. And now we will give one access to our custom object like books. Book is a object whom we will give write, read, create, edit and delete. And this object can be visible to our user. Now we will give one more access to one more object which is candidate, read, create, edit and delete. Now we can make now we can check, save all the changes which we have made in a through our profile. Now we will go on user again. Now we will log in. If we will log in, the new record, new page of the user Neha will open. First we will log in this page, log in this user. Here you can see, you can watch the user, another user with which profile is Neha user. Profile name is Neha user, and here some tabs are visible just like account, report, dashboard, contracts, candidates, job names, application, and books. Books is visible because we have given it a access, object access on this book. Now we will search whether contact is also visible or not. Contact, we will go on app launcher and type contact, search our object. No contact object is visible, it is different thing is visible which is contact point consent. Because we have not provided any access to our contact object, it is not visible, visible in this user, visible to this user. Now we have given one more access to our user. Now we will log out this user. Now we will go again in our support agent user. we will go on users again. We will go on support agent, new profile. We will edit this profile. Now our tab is hidden. We will give it default on. It is here are three option: tab hidden, default off, and default on. We will give default on, which means our object will be visible. Our tab will be visible to us in the user. Now we will provide read, create, edit access to our contact object. So we can edit these. Now we will provide only read access to our user, and and not create, edit or delete to our books object, which is a custom object. And now we will check whether profile will automatically remove the create, edit or delete access. It will show only a read option to our books object. Now we will save our changes. We will go on login our profile. Now we will go on books. We will go on all. Here you can see no edit option is showing us. Only printable view and assign label is showing. No edit option is showing us. If we open any record, here is not any edit option is showing, which means whatever changes we make through profile, uh, all are automatically saved in the user. Now we will watch our contact object access. Yes, our contact object is visible, and in your contact object it is you have given all read, edit, create, access. All are showing here. Now if you want to make one record, you can make in. And you can save in your user. In this way you give tab access and object access to your user. Thank you.